warm welcome to today's wonderful live session. Also, thanks for being here today, everyone.
Today is very.
So, how's everything going with you, my dear distinguished guys?
Very.
So, I think you feel real enthusiast for 10,000 taka. Inshallah, started from the today, next 29 days, I will ask you, I also can say today or tomorrow or after tomorrow, but it should happen, inshallah, if God surviving 10,000 taka magic, more 29 days happen today or tomorrow or after 10 days, I don't know also, because you know I have a cash in my drawer more than 2 lakhs, inshallah. So I can do 10,000 taka. Here is the very, what is the new note? Not used till now. So this is the thing. Here is the thinking. Please call to receive and say ask to come here. I'm doing class. So here, you know, today here is the all are added here. I need to go down all here. Okay, here is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12, not words. You may say words also, sometimes phrases. Some word, some phrases. So today is the very popular word in online and internet world. I think if anyone know all those words, I think that 12 word deep diving, not just only word. What is this? What is the difference? You know, maximum Hafiz, Quran Hafiz just can say the what is this? You know, but don't deep dive, many guys. What is the problem? If you not deep diving, just memorizing is the not working. What is this? What I am saying? In this time, 3 okke 3, 3 duguna 6, 3 tirikha 9, 5 okke 5, 5 duguna 10, 3 pasa 15, 4 pasa 20, 5 pasa 25. Lifetime I learning this. I think you no need to read this time. No need, nothing. I think if you just reading, your repository, your brain capacity, your memory will be some occupied, some spaces. But if you say someone, all will kill you. What is this? You are going to mad also, making many guys to mad, your path. But very simple thing, you know, American guy don't, in this time not doing like this. They're using all time the mobile and calculator for exchanging money and all are the digital, not have, what is this? Not have, just China's guy selling lemon in the farmer field. China. Lemon.
Oh.
If you go to the China lemon or you know the potato, if you go to the very rural area, very rural, here is the not like this many kinds of advantage, but very rural area. You know, today I watched a video, they are selling a lemon. Just 2 taka like this or 3 taka. The farmer also, the girl, I think Oman, I think his age is, I think 70. He taking money just 2 taka in Chinese. Taka he just taking by his mobile. Because if you just go China and visiting 1 year, you don't taking any money. Physical money. No need physical money. Just 2 taka you eating coffee, tea, chocolate, ice cream. Very small price. They also not taking the physical money. I think about the 98%, 99% in this time.
99%.
So 99%. What is this? No problem. 99%. just using the virtual money. Not only the China, if you go to the Europe, America, there they are using more than 90%. After 2 or 3 years, 100% will be physical digital money. So what is this? This pizza price is 10.10 taka. You just barcode scan 10.10. So where you will use? What is this? The practical life it cannot use is the not productive. It's not called the proactive guy. So this time just using proactively. What will be happen? Lifetime work. You know, the tomorrow you will be set up your meeting with the Rishan about the robotics fact. Inshallah, very soon we will starting in the 4th floor a lab research fact and making the robotic. Here is the one computer need minimum 300,000 taka, 300,000 taka, 400,000 taka, 500,000 taka. That means half million. 2 or 3 computer, and here is the research about they were converting AI thinking, robotic thinking, different kinds of big machine learning data, big data you are the processing. So you need very big machine. That machine can easily. What is this? Why? Shut down. You come here.
Go and shut down.
Come here. So what is this? Here is the thing, very easy thing. You know what I am saying. If you go to China, here is the big countries inside the world. You know, is the top population country. 1.5 billion. 1.5 billion. Here just 20 crore. That means 0.20 billion. But if you go to the China, more than billion people are living. 2 countries entered the world. Number 1 is the China, second is the India. India also more than billion people living. Billion. What is this? But you know, trillionaire come. First trillionaire come. Entered the world, not till now trillion people. You know about the, I think that 8 billion people are living inside the world. Just 2 countries, almost the 3 billion. Just India and China. Can you believe? Just 2 countries, about 3 billion people. China and India and whole world. More about the 200 countries. That's 6 billion. Yeah. So Chinese, why? If you go any Chinese room, any Chinese home, they're making something. They have a computer or making remote or making battery or making vehicle or watch or spectacles. No one you cannot find. Here is the not company. Every house. Why? Dominating the world. This is the way, one way.
Technology side.
Everyone, not just technology. Someone is the farmer, someone doing the farming,
No one is the best.
the cow, the cat, the dogs, different, any, but no one. You can find our country, many guys, what is this? He don't do nothing. Like this, if you go to the Darkipara, your grandma doing nothing. What is this? They are the renting home. No, you should do something for surviving many days. If you just busy, your machine will be work. This is the machine. Body also have a machine. Here's the sounding. Tuk, tuk, tuk. So if you also start a machine, also duk, duk, duk. When the stop, the same thing. You can research or converting or selling, but this machine, one time off, is the nothing, not kana paisa price. Gone. So what is the happen? So is the most valuable, but when die, nothing. Dead body is the not like a one brick. One brick, that value A human body not value. Value is the nothing, the dead body, But when alive, I think inside the world, the total country more than powerful some guy. This is the fact. So today we added some big comment in internet and technology world. If you know and describe every word, if you can, about the 20 minutes, I can guarantee you already about the 40% distinguished guy in this domain, technology. If you just 12, describe about the 20 minutes, every word, every phrase, everyone, so single word, every single word. So here, cloud computing, game changing. Today, technology world just working. If I go back about the 1 decade ago, that time I was using the computer, that time I bought a disc, Vice City game. That time game played. Here is the condition. You should buy about the 8 gigabyte RAM, 500 gigabyte space. Different kinds of, what is this? Device condition. Device, specific device. Then you can run the game. But cloud computing, total game change. What is this? You just using second generation computer and starting the world powerful, world #1 heaviest game. You just playing, just using the cloud computing. Why? This is your data saved the cloud by someone, by some server. And you just using in a browser or a little software. They are using this cloud server, you just working from here. What is the magical fact? Totally game change just for the cloud computing. And then networking. Networking, Roja, come here. You stand 3 minutes because you're showing your belly to Pfizer sir. You just come here. So here, networking, 2 type of networking. What is the physical and virtual? Network mean if you just connecting this PC, local network, just connecting. If you just working here, you can save here,
Reminder, when we open LAN, our network is same. So they are showing the Sasa.
Oh, this is the game.
You need to give the IP.
If you go to the company like this,
In the single
bank, what is this? If you go to this bank, you are saving, you just deposit 10,000 taka, correct? 10,000 taka. Here is the save.
No.
This PC is the subsidy bank, this branch.
Yeah.
No, completely wrong. Here's the nothing like a box. You just click save, it's saved in Dhaka, the main server.
Oh,
What is this? You working here, but save in central database. What happening? They are the every second, they are the backupping. They are the not also saving here. They are also renting the cloud computing in America. Because if Dhaka is the earthquake and cyclone, all are the destroying, but your money will be not gone. Why? The data server, some server have a Singapore, some server have New York, some server have Silicon Valley, Europe country, African countries. What is the game change? You just click here, save about the 5 or 10 countries servers. If just firing and destroying everything, also you can taking your data. Data mean money. What is the happening? What is the magical fact? Few days ago when I was a banker, like 2010, that time we using the laser. One thief come and laser go. What happened? No any clue. It happened the same thing when I'm the Sharia Kandi branch. That time here's the sleeping. It was the river, Jamuna river, and bank was situated the Blanc. on the beside the river, and some one day coming big water, and all bank gone in the Jamuna river. All newspapers, all documents, and what is the happen? And many guys taking the loan, saying, I don't take loan. I don't take loan. Till now, not solving. When I going to the uploading the computer, that is saving the data, here is the many money. I cannot matching. You know, debit and credit same equal 0, then bank will be closed. But here is the no option. I'm called to head office. What happened? Saying one day, many years ago, all your ledger eat by the Jamuna river. So saying, if I not debit and credit same, bank will be not closed. Saying, you just fake money, create fake money. I am giving Jolil Islam, he taking loan about the 5 lakhs. But I don't know. All paper is the gone. Can you believe what is the problem? But in this time, some guy saying, I'm saving money. If Dhaka is the earthquake, all are the destroying. What happened? Nothing happened. Because all your bank data, information save in America, save in Singapore, save in Japan, African country. That's just for the one thing that called the cloud computing and network. And then IP address. What called the address? Address. Address means you have address. Here is the game changing option. Lifetime. Your life. Every time work. IP address. So here mindfully is the practical life also work. 2 type of address. You just go to your computer, you just say, what is my address? What is my IP address? Just Google search, showing unique. No one matching, enter the world. Your unique address. Address mean as, you know, as tail, long tail. The one cow have a long tail, you know.
Yeah.
That called the ass. I forget the spelling. That ass hide my ass. That mean you just hiding. When we are using VPN, hacker using like this. He just hiding your IP and try to hack. What the hacker not using any IP. So what is mean the IP? IP mean you are a human. I am going to be easy example. You are a human, like your Shajid sir. So you have a home, you have a house. So house you have a address.
Yeah.
Internet like this. Internet is house, and you are a human. You have an address. So internet have an address. You are using computer. One mobile also have address. One laptop also address. Also Shajid has a address like this. Shajid living in Dublagari. Also saying internet have a address that called the IP address. If you just anytime your mobile also what is my IP, he will show. And then here's the second type. What is this? In your house have 5 rooms.
Yeah.
So what room you are using is also your address. Huh? What is this? It's just private. Don't know anyone. Don't know anyone. What is this? Everyone know this is the Shajid house. Shajid living here. But Shajid have more private address. What is this? This is specific Shajid's room. This is Shajid table. So no one know this. The downstairs people know this. Just know your parents. So IP address is the same thing. Some private, some public. Public know everyone. What is this? Who are the Tariq Rahman, the Prime Minister, where is the living? House is the Bagbadi, we know, in Bogura. If you go inside the country, where are you live? You are saying in Bogura, oh, you are the Prime Minister. Near the Prime Minister, all will be respect to you. What is this? That's called the address, understand? So
IP address for easy example. The multiplayer. Here we play giving the IP address. Yeah. Which wall you are playing? Like
Yeah.
to how? The which wall IP? In which room? Which wall?
Private ID. That's great. So why am I? You are enthusiast. Why? Because you know what called IP. So everything negative and positive, if you learn sometime
You learn from the game.
will be work. Sometime will be work. Here is the
I know something about the Prime Minister. Prime Minister
So-
very small, and what is the Khalid Zia is this time alive. He small. He said when I will be Prime Minister, then the exam, then the school, I will be closed. But he don't close. But he not close. It's very false. I'm teaching with us. And he said,
When?
who's saying, Jahannami, Jahannami.
So here is the when you are getting older, your ambition, your hope, your aim day by day change. I totally remember when I was 10 class guy, that time I was every Orus day made a garage, cycle garage. I said and challenged to my uncle, lifetime I will continue the garage. This is called the emotion. That was emotion. But in this time, what is this? I think I need rest. What is this? A night earning about the 2,000 taka. Is this possible in this time? But emotion is the work sometimes. Because when you are a kid now, you thinking when I get older, I will many money, earning money and give everyone beggar, your parents, your relationship, who are your father, mother or sister or cousin or different kinds of. But when you getting older, trillionaire, billionaire, you don't have time to talk to someone. This is situation demand. When you have a money, you think, I cannot find anything. But when you don't have money, you think, if I get the money, I will do many things. This is the human nature. If you not go to the situation, you don't understand. Is my real example of my life. What is this? That time when I was an employee in the bank, I think if I just not have the job, entire the time, all the time I will visit. No, visiting Cox's Bazar. What is the problem? After job, I left my job, I think more than 3 years. Till now, I am not going to any time, 1 or 2 days for the visiting. So more liability, more responsibility, more accountability just up to me. What is this? That time thinking, manager sir, you don't giving me vacation is the very problem of you. I don't like the bank. What is the government service is the very problem. But in this time I'm totally independent. But I don't have time. What is this? This is the real situation. When you don't have money, you thinking, if I could I get money, I will buy the iPhone 30 Pro Max. But if you just real businessman, you think, what is this? The procrastinator guy making the iPhone, why I am buying the 2,000, 3,000, 300,000 taka? Why wasting money? But who will buy? Who is the not understanding what is the rich dad and poor dad? And that's I'm going to say about the protocols. What is mean of the protocols? You have a friend, a Spanish guy. So both are the talking. So he talking in Spanish, you talking in English. What will be happen? You don't know about the Spanish. You also don't know about the English. What will be happen? Friend will be continue. The first day will be death. What is this? Chang chung chang. I love you. He's saying, oh, what is this mean? I love you. I don't know about this. So here is the thing. Protocol mean the same language using. Either rules of the talking or communication, and then packets. What is the peace? Grace. No, the good example. piece of the packet in this OS. And then pronunciation, this one the latency. Late, the same thing. Latency mean internet thing about the late. What is this? You just clicking a apps like you are playing the Minecraft. If your internet is the very weak, it will be work. That called the latency.
But it's working single.
And then I love this very much, the bandwidth. What is mean of the bandwidth? Very popular word, the internet thing, what the government, what the administrator. Our country, how come the internet, in the Bangaboshagar, is the using the big cable in the another country. One cable connected the entire world. This is the bandwidth coming. You have a pipe like this 2 inch. You are using a tap. Rosa sir, you are using a tap.
He's not mindful, he's just playing with the paper.
Why you go there? Come here. What is this?
And he just clicking on the keyboard. I'm not clicking.
So here is the thing. What is the bandwidth? Game changing. Lifetime you will not forget. Just thinking a pipe. Like this you are showering using like this 1 inch. But the machine pipe like this. Some pipe have, if you can go into the pipe. So how much big the water will become more. That's called the bandwidth. Bandwidth means how much fast will come your internet, then your download speed will be very fast. In this time 100 megabyte or 1 gigabyte, a file need about the 5 minutes in this time. But I am saying about the 1.5 decade ago, that time, full night, 2 night. Yeah, that I'm time. Like this I am saying about the 2007 or 2010, that time internet was the, not 2G, yeah.
3G.
No 3G. 3G comes in the 16 or 17. 2017. And that time was the kilobyte. Browser full night waiting. And sometime is the modem. Sometime when I'm going to the Belgari, the cable I'm just using in my tin. I just tin and using the bamboo, the modem here, and I am connecting in my laptop. And not also working. Sometimes is the sleeping. Client is the RUHUL. Where? I'm saying here. After 5 minutes, he's just understanding. I am standing here. Many client is the gone. What is this? You are focused on another country. What is this? Why you are the very lazy? But in this time, very improvement. So that's called the bandwidth. Bandwidth means how much speed. And then what is this? This one? Mindset. You know everything is the same thing. What is this? A great example. If you thinking this is the summer time, not feel warm, overall. Your body also not feeling hot. Just one word. This is summer time, the natural.
Sir, I have a question.
Yes,
What
please.
is the last word in the news?
It's pronounced ethics. I'm going to their
Morality.
morality. What is this? Honesty. Ethics.
Honest.
Here is the ethics. Ethics. Morality. Honest. More than powerful.
Honest.
And then automation. Automation
Automatic.
is the automating something, that is the automatic time.